Welcome back to the Morning Blend with our continuing series, Insurance 101 with Sovereign Select. Well, if you're on Medicare and Medicaid, there are many benefits available to you that you might not be aware of. Here to help you lay them out is Jerry Wilson. He's an independent agent with Sovereign Select. Hey, Jerry.
Good morning, Tiffany. How are you?
I'm doing great. So good to see you. Tell everybody a
Same
little
here.
bit about what you do, because I think it's so incredible how much help you give to people, and it's free of charge.
Absolutely. So, Sovereign Select is an independent insurance agency that specializes in Medicare and Medicaid, Medicare planning, and also we provide life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care, and annuity products. But our really sweet spot is with Medicare, and that's what we're here to talk about this morning. And so, just really excited. And Tiffany, I'm so excited to be able to talk to your audience. As a matter of fact, after I was on your show the last time, one of your callers called me and said, Jerry, just want to let you know, Medicaid has now implemented a cost sharing that more people will have to pay a small portion for their Medicaid portion of their coverage that they have through the dual program. Just want to make that correction because I know that that person is listening, and I want to make sure I got that out there this morning.
Love that. And when you talk about the dual program, you're talking about the Forward Health Card and the Medicare ID card. Is that correct? We're looking at
That is
those on the
correct.
screen right now.
It's on the screen there. And what happens is that in order to be eligible for the dual program, a person has to have their Medicare card, the red, white, and blue card that we see there, and then also the forward card, the white card that makes them eligible for Medicare and Medicaid. And they combine the two programs to create what we call a dual health plan. And that gives them some great benefits. And I know a lot of times our listeners are they're watching television. They hear about the over-the-counter prescription drugs, the hearing aids, the denture, the dental coverage. But this morning, I think I really want to focus in on another aspect of it that people may not be aware of as much, and that's I call it the 5 surprise benefits of a Medicare Medicaid dual health plan.
I love it. So let's break them down. There's 5 of them. And the first one is starting with care coordination.
Yes. A lot of times, Tiffany, a lot of people have a situation where healthcare is confusing, Tiffany, but we at Cyber Select, we try and make it simple and explainable in a bite-sized format. And what this does is that a care coordinator is available to a person who's a dual to help them navigate the process once they sign up under the dual program, to help them get the services and the care that they need. Let's say I've got a gentleman I'm working with right now. He has a hearing aid problem, and so we're going to get him the hearing aids. But he also has some care. He has some services that he needs in terms of shopping and doctor's visits, and just simply how to navigate that whole process. And that's what that care coordinator does if a person is a dual and they step in and provide those services.
See, that's nice because, it is confusing and people need a little hand holding. And I think to understand all the benefits matters. Your second 5 of the 5 surprising benefits is a personal emergency response system. How does that work?
The way it works is that if a person is a dual, they qualify for a personal emergency response system device. And it allows the person to be connected, the device is connected to their phone. And what happens is that if that person becomes ill or falls or something happens, a lot of seniors that are on the dual program may live alone. And this gives them a way to get 24/7 life-saving care because they just press the button and they're connected with a trained operator, and that person will dispatch the emergency services that they need and be able to walk them through that process. Because I think one of the biggest fears that we all have is that if we fall and we can't get to the phone or someone, no one's there to help us, we need a way to be able to reach out and get the help we need to save our lives. And that's what that personal emergency response system device does. And I think that's a huge benefit to people.
Absolutely. And I know that can be at no cost depending on the dual plan that you have. Your third thing is virtual medical visits. A lot of people are getting a little more used to that right now.
Absolutely. And I think we've all, I've even in our household, we had a chance to experience a personal visit. And it just really works well. The doctor connects to their to their computer, their tablet, or their iPhone, their phone, their smartphone. Or for me, I'm not as smart. So I just simply say, Let me dial the number here, but it really works well that a person is able to connect with their doctor. They don't have to leave their home. With COVID-19, a lot of people are concerned about going out in public. This gives them another way at no cost to be able to connect with their physician and be able to get the care that they need. And then the doctor will make any referrals or order any prescriptions that they need. And they can diagnose a lot from the phone, just simply talking to the person. It's an in-person visit without leaving your home.
We're at it, almost out of time. We got less than a minute. So I want to just mention worldwide emergency coverage once people start traveling again. And then you may be able to enroll right away. And I think that's one of the biggest benefits that people want to know is that they can qualify for that special election period and they may be able to get their hands on both these cards right away. You've got these Road to Medicare and you can explain and you'll meet with people and do that all right now, right?
That is correct. And we have one upcoming in August that will have a Road to Medicare. We can do it virtually via phone. And you don't have to wait until August 13th. If you've got those pressing questions and we can get you enrolled now, you can sign up today, which is July, and you'd be enrolled for your program come August 1st. And you can start taking advantage of all those 5 great surprise benefits that are available through the Medicare Medicaid dual eligible program.
Love it. There's so much more, and I know you'll go through it all with them. So thank you so much for joining me, Jerry. Love to see you.
Thank you, Tiffany. Have a great day.
You too. Here's the information for that Road to Medicare educational event with Jerry. It's Thursday the 13th. It's at 10 a.m. It's virtual or over telephone. And you can contact Jerry by his phone number. He's available Monday through Friday from 9 to 6, Saturdays as well, 9 to 1 at 262-222-2872. Or go online. You can also register there for those events at selectjerry.com. But again, he can meet you anytime or talk to you anytime before that to get you enrolled now. And it's free.